Okay, this is looking into the back of a brand new Yamaha AR195 2019. First time I've ever set foot inside this boat. Hope it's all together. We'll have a look. I gotta find all the floor carpeting and all those pieces. I assume are in here. Got these factory lugs that hold on hold the tower in place. Let's have a look inside. Keys, that's handy. All looks as advertised. Okay, there's a few pieces in here. Oh, there's the cooler, table. Okay, so a few things I'll have to sort through in here. It's good. I didn't realize it came with a fire extinguisher. On this side. Okay, we've got a few things over here. It's like filler cushions are in here. A little trash can. Fire extinguisher inside. Little place to mount the trash can. Let's have a look inside this guy here. Yeah, and there's all the carpets. So I'll have to break all these out. All the snapping carpets. So this again is straight out of the factory, what it looks like. Disconnect all this and get it all going. Looks like it's all here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, they installed a battery for me. That's good. What else? Disconnect is up there. I'll put the charger on that battery real quick. And what else? There's for the table. That's back here. Well, you know what all looks here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look in the engine compartment. See what we got in there. There it is. I don't think there's much I really have to do here. All looks like it's ready to go. Oil filter, easy enough to get to. It's the new high output engine in this. There's the dipstick, oil fill. All looks pretty straightforward. No issues in here. It's all looking good. Yeah, very good. Speakers, everything here. Little tie downs. These must be for the cooler. So that's it. Looks good. I will shoot some more video when it's on the water.